Introducing the 2013 Travel the Roads in Style and Comfort. In this great vehicle, save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill up your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine.
Connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission.
GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And memory settings put you back in the right place every time. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player, a satellite radio. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.